Hello crafters, today's DIY gift is going to be a hair clip bouquet, we're adding makeup, all the fun things. So of course I went to Sephora, grabbed some of my faves. Yeah, I'm gonna keep some of these, but some of them are for my best friend for her birthday. Now I do think this would be a great little Valentine's Day DIY gift coming up, so if you're wanting to make something for somebody, this is a great option as well. I took some green cardstock in multiple different shades and I just started rolling it up. I did find it a lot easier to use a pencil. That way I can kind of get the shape a little easier with the roll. And then I went ahead and just hot glued it. I tried a couple different things like tape, regular glue, but hot glue was the one that seemed to work the best. I then just went ahead and just clipped on those little flower hair clips. And now you can just see me hot gluing some skewers, some wooden little skewer sticks. You could use chopsticks, whatever you have around your house, onto the makeup items that I picked up. And this is going to be what I use to build that flower bouquet that I'm making. I mean, you could do this gender neutral, you could do socks, you could do underwear. I've seen so many different things in here. You could do this with real flowers as well, which was something I considered, but I was not feeling the best and didn't want to go running out back to the store. So we went ahead with what we grabbed here. I think I picked up these hair clips off of like Shein or Temu or something, but you can get these probably even at the dollar store. So tons of options. This doesn't have to be a very expensive gift. Now, I did choose obviously to go to Sephora and get the makeup, but like I said, you could really do anything with this. You could add just like their favorite candies in here. That's probably what I would do if I made it for my husband. With these skewer sticks, you're wanting to go ahead and change the sizing of them because it's going to be in a big bouquet. So you want to put them kind of all over the place, and you can do that while you're setting it up or as you're just going ahead and gluing it on there like I'm doing here. So I went ahead and put this on different sheet masks, on different treats she likes, makeup, all of those things. I just did it on the packaging. I thought that would be easier. And then I grabbed some tissue paper, like gift wrap. I folded it into a triangle and then I went ahead and just started creating my bouquet. It did take some trial and error to see what looked best, how to layer everything, and then I kind of just wung it, if that makes sense. I piled it all together and I was actually really impressed. It's kind of like a trust the process kind of thing where it looks a little chaotic, but once it was all together, it was so cute. My best friend absolutely loved it, and I definitely would be doing this DIY little gift a whole lot more. Especially since I can pretty much personalize it to anybody. I think I might surprise my daughter with one of these for her birthday. I think she'll really like that. So I'm going to go ahead and just lay all these in. You'll see me here kind of cutting down the skewer sticks to make them fit a little bit better and then trying to figure out what looks best. Should I put certain things in the back? I wanted to make sure not everything was fully hidden. I want it to be showing, I guess, when I wrap up the tissue paper. So I kind of did it in different layers, and you'll see here me building it, taking it apart, putting it back together, and that was kind of the fun part of it, but it looked really cute in the end. And then I grabbed a whole bunch of tape. I pretty much just used packing tape because if you didn't know, we are moving, so that's what I've been doing, packing boxes, doing crafts here and there. So I grabbed some packing tape, taped the ever-loving heck out of this little bouquet. And then I thought I wanted to add something a little bit cuter, so I grabbed some ribbon. I typically just use the ribbon from the Dollar Tree. I love it. I also pick it up at like thrift stores and stuff like that. I don't pay full price for my ribbon, in other words, if you know what I'm saying. Tied it up. It looked so cute. I am so obsessed with this project. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for tons more DIY crafty things. And let me know in the comments, are you someone that likes to buy your gifts? Do you like to hand make them yourself? Or maybe do you like to buy handmade gifts? Support your local businesses. Let us know in the comments, and I will see you all in the next one. Happy crafting. You'll be seeing me in a new craft space soon because we are moving, so I can't wait to show you my new craft area and do all of that with you. But I'll see you on the next one. Happy crafting. Bye for now. I mean, come on, you can't tell me this doesn't look so cute and you wouldn't love to get all of these goodies. Also, I saw my bestie wearing the hair clip the other day on her page, so hey girl, I see you.